Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you the new option in 5-axis simultaneous of Swarf milling. Now, let's open up the operation itself, and if we take a look inside the window of Swarf milling, you'll note that in contrast to the other 5-axis operations, is no axis control inside Swarf milling. The axis is actually controlled by the geometries themselves. If we were to go into geometries, you can see that we have 4 different types of strategies to work in Swarf machining. Let's take the first one for a moment. And as you can see, it says synchronize with tilt lines. What you need in this particular case is our upper curve, as shown over here, our lower curve, as shown over here, and that automatically really tells our tool to lie from that curve to the other curve, to the first curve right back. Now, as far as the actual tilt direction, we add the tilt lines, as shown over here. If we were to take a look at our simulation, you'll see that the tool goes down. It's actually tilting according to those lines as it goes on the part itself, as shown over here. Now, another option we have is that we can take this and do automatic curve detection. If I were to click on automatic curve detection, then instead of picking a contour around the part, all we need in this particular case is the tilt lines, as shown over here, like we had before, plus we need the surface that goes around, as shown over here, this surface over there. And this will automatically work on that particular surface. Another option that we have over here is synchronize with upper and lower curves. If I were to use this, then all we need is our upper curve and lower curve. And it will automatically synchronize itself in the direction from the bottom towards the top, giving us the proper angle that we need to cut. Now, if I were to open up compensate to floor surface, then I can choose my floor surface as shown over here, and then I can actually give it a clearance from the floor itself, stay away from the floor. Now, in addition, I can do automatic curve detection. If I were to do automatic curve detection, all I need is my face, as shown over here, and this will automatically give me the option that I need to work exactly on the face in the proper angle. Now, if I were to open both of these, automatic curve detection and compensate the floor, I can have that there as well. Another option that we can show you to get you to a level of higher accuracy is if we get into best fit. In best fit, we can choose our upper curve and lower curve and our Swarf surface as shown over here. Or I can click on compensate to floor surface, where it's the compensate from the floor itself, as shown over here. And if I go even further, we have automatic curve detection, where we have our faces and we have our floor surfaces over here detected automatically. Now, if we were to open up support tilt lines, then we're even getting a more exact cut on the part itself, as we have here the tilt lines as well as the Swarf surface. So we can get down to actually the really smallest detail and make it as exact as we want. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.